Hey everyone, if you're struggling to install Roblox on your PC, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes to get Roblox running smoothly. Let's get started. Fix 1. Disable Windows antivirus and firewall. Sometimes your Windows Defender or firewall might block Roblox installation. Here's how to temporarily disable it. Click on Windows Start menu and search for Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings. Turn off real-time protection. Don't forget to turn it back on later. Fix 2. Reinstall Roblox completely. If the first fix didn't work, let's try a fresh installation. Uninstall Roblox, open Control Panel programs, and features Find Roblox and uninstall it. Restart your PC. Download Roblox setup from the official website and install it again. If it still doesn't install, move to the next fix. Fix 3. Install Roblox manually from App Data folder. If the installer isn't working, let's try launching it directly from the Roblox local folder. Press Ctrl+R and type %appdata%. Then hit Enter. In the top navigation bar, go back one folder to the App Data directory. Open the local folder and scroll down until you find the Roblox folder. Open the Versions folder and select the latest version. Look for Roblox Player Launcher.exe and run it manually. Fix 4. Check if Roblox servers are down sometimes. The issue isn't with your PC, it's Roblox itself. Go to Google and search for Roblox status. Visit the official Roblox status page to check if there's a server outage. If Roblox servers are down, you'll have to wait until they fix the issue. Final steps, make sure it works. If one of these methods worked, congrats. Now don't forget to turn your antivirus and firewall back on for security. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech fixes, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more solutions. Thanks for watching and happy gaming on Roblox.